Two pilots killed in a tragic runway collision at LaGuardia Airport have now been identified as young men just beginning their aviation careers. The incident has sent shockwaves through the aviation community and raised urgent safety concerns. The fatal collision occurred at LaGuardia Airport in New York when an aircraft and a ground vehicle reportedly came into contact on the runway. Emergency crews responded immediately, but despite rapid efforts, both pilots were pronounced dead at the scene. Authorities have described the victims as young men at the start of their careers, highlighting the devastating loss of promising futures in aviation. Their identities have been confirmed, though officials are withholding further personal details out of respect for their families. Preliminary reports suggest that the collision involved a miscommunication or operational error, but investigators have not yet determined the exact cause. The Federal Aviation Administration and other agencies are now conducting a full investigation to understand how this tragedy unfolded. Operations at the airport were temporarily disrupted as emergency responders secured the scene and began their work. This heartbreaking incident underscores the critical importance of runway safety and coordination in one of the busiest airspaces in the world. As investigations continue, the aviation community mourns the loss of two young professionals whose careers were only just beginning. For more updates on this developing story, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest global news.